Hey. Did you know skipping breakfast is like trying to drive a car with no gas? Sure, you might coast downhill for a while, but eventually you're going to stall out, probably before your first meeting of the day. Studies show that a healthy breakfast can boost your energy, improve your mood, and even prevent you from getting hangry by 10 a.m. So stick around because today I'm dishing out delicious breakfast ideas that'll have you energized, focused, and ready to conquer the day. Bonus: no boring oatmeal here, unless it's fancy, and trust me, I've got you covered. Okay, let's face it, mornings are hard. Your alarm's yelling at you, the coffee machine's taking forever, and your stomach is growling like a bear in hibernation. But breakfast isn't just about silencing that growl, it's about fueling your body and brain for all the amazing things you're going to do today. Research shows people who eat a balanced breakfast make better decisions throughout the day. That includes choosing a salad over a donut for lunch. Coincidence? I think not. And no, grabbing a cold leftover slice of pizza doesn't count as balanced unless it's topped with avocado. Kidding. Let's get into some real ideas. First up, the avocado and feta omelet. This is like the Beyoncé of breakfasts, packed with healthy fats, protein, and flavor. Just whisk up some eggs, toss in diced avocado, crumble some feta, and cook it up. Done in 10 minutes flat. Feeling fancy? Add spinach or diced tomatoes for extra nutrients. Oh, and don't forget the feta. It's the cheesy goodness that makes you feel like you're brunching at a five-star cafe. Bonus: this dish keeps you full until lunchtime, so no more sneaky snack breaks where you eat an entire bag of chips by accident. Next up, the smoothie bowl. Think of it as a smoothie, but with toppings. And yes, toppings make everything better. Blend up your favorite fruits: banana, berries, maybe even spinach if you're feeling adventurous. Pour it into a bowl, and here's where the fun begins. Top it with granola, fresh fruit, nuts, or even a drizzle of honey. It's basically like eating ice cream for breakfast, except this one boosts your immune system and keeps your blood sugar in check. Plus, it's Instagram worthy, so you can start your day with likes and antioxidants. For those mornings when you're on the go, meet your new best friend, the breakfast burrito. Scramble some eggs, throw in black beans, a sprinkle of cheese, and a dollop of salsa. Wrap it all up in a whole grain tortilla, and boom, breakfast is served. Not only is this burrito packed with protein and fiber, but it's also super portable. Eat it in the car, carefully, at your desk, or, let's be real, while standing over the sink. It's delicious either way. Now let's talk waffles. Not the cardboard-like frozen kind you grew up on. No shade to your childhood. I'm talking about whole grain waffles topped with fresh berries and whipped cream. Yes, whipped cream. Balance, people. Pro tip: make a big batch on Sunday, freeze them, and then just pop them in the toaster during the week. It's like meal prepping, but with waffles. Fancy enough for Sunday brunch, simple enough for Tuesday chaos. And for my fellow overachievers who want to squeeze in all the nutrients before 9 a.m., let me introduce the green smoothie. Spinach, banana, almond milk, avocado. Blend it up and sip it on the go. It's so healthy, you'll feel like you deserve a gold star before the day even starts. Worried it'll taste like a garden? Add a splash of pineapple juice or some frozen mango. Trust me, it's like sneaking kale into a dessert. Your taste buds won't know what hit them. Now, I know what you're thinking. All this sounds great, but who has time for this in the morning? Listen, I get it. Mornings are chaotic. But here's the secret: prep ahead. Spend a little time on Sunday making smoothie packs or cooking a batch of quinoa for breakfast bowls. Another challenge? Ingredient swaps. No avocado? Use hummus. No feta? Try goat cheese. The key is flexibility, folks. Breakfast isn't a science experiment, it's breakfast. The bottom line is, breakfast isn't just a meal, it's an investment in your day. Skipping it is like trying to text on 1% battery. It's not going to end well. But by fueling your body with these healthy, delicious options, you're setting yourself up to crush your goals, whether that's climbing the corporate ladder or surviving back-to-back Zoom calls. So, what's your go-to breakfast? Are you team avocado toast or smoothie bowl squad? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're feeling inspired, give one of these ideas a try. Don't forget to tag me on social media so I can see your creations. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, healthy meal ideas. And remember, your mornings matter. So fuel up, show up, and let's make every day amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.